How would you introduce yourself to passengers during boarding? As passengers board, I would welcome them with a warm smile, maintain eye contact, and use a polite and friendly tone. For example, I would say, "Good evening, welcome on board. Your seat is this way. Please let me know if you need any assistance." It's important to make passengers feel valued from the very first moment they step on the aircraft. A genuine smile and approachable body language create a welcoming atmosphere, which sets the tone for the rest of their journey.